Morning everybody. So yesterday we completed till question number 2. So today we will move to question number 3. That question number 3 is subtract minus 5y square. Subtract minus 5y square from y square. So subtract 3 from 5. What will you do? Subtract 3 from 5. Yeah, we are going to subtract 3 from where? From 5. So that is 5 minus 3. Am I right here? So here what will you do? Subtract minus 5y square from y square here. So what will be that? Yes. Minus 5y square from y square. So from will come first. That is y square minus of. Here what we are having? Minus 5y square. That is we are subtracting minus 5y square from y square. Am I right? Are you getting here? Subtract minus 5y square from y square. Am I right? Yes. Now that is y square minus into minus is plus 5y square. Now these two terms are like terms now. Now we can perform the operation addition now. What is the numerical coefficient of y square here? 1. Here the numerical coefficient is what? Plus 5 into y square, that is equal to 6y square. That is equal to 6y square. Am I right here? Yes. Now look at the second part now. Subtract 6xy from minus 12xy. Minus 12xy. Tell me now. What will you do? From minus 12xy, so it will come first. Which one? Minus 12xy will come first, and then subtract 6xy. Right? Yes. Now, what is the numerical coefficient here? Minus 12. What is the numerical coefficient here? Minus 6 xy. So minus 12 minus 6. How will you add two negative integer? Just you add them as a natural and give the negative sign. That is minus 12 minus 6 is minus 18 xy. Minus 18 xy. Am I right here? Yeah. Now look at the third part. Subtract a minus b from. Subtract a minus b from a plus b. Subtract a minus b from a plus b. Yeah. What it will come first? A plus b minus of this one, a minus b. So first you remove the bracket by multiplying the minus sign inside. That is a plus b. Minus into plus is minus a. Minus into minus is plus b here. Now plus a minus a we can cancel. Am I right? 2 minus 2 is what? 0. Now what we are having? B plus b here. B plus b here. So b plus b is 2b. How are you getting 2b? What is the numerical coefficient of b here? 1. Here the numerical coefficient of b is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2b. 1 plus 1 is what? 2b. Are you getting there? Yes. Now look at the fourth part of this question is, it's given a into b minus 5. Subtract a into b minus 5 from b into 5 minus a. From b into 5 minus a. Now what will you do first? Yes. From this it will come first, that is b into 5 minus a minus of a into b minus 5. Minus a into b minus 5. Now multiply the b inside now. So b into 5 is how much? 5b. Plus into minus is minus a into b, ab, b into a, ba, ab both are same. Am I right? 2 3s are how much? 6. 3 2s are how much? 6. So both are same. ba, ab you can write in any order because the order is not a matter in a multiplication. Now minus into plus is minus ab, minus into minus is plus, 5 into a is 5a. Now group the like terms. These two terms are like terms, I think so. Minus ab, minus ab. Here we are having the same algebraic factor, and then these two terms are unlike terms. So first we will write down that. So 5a plus 5b minus ab minus ab. So that is equal to 5a plus 5b. Here what is the numerical coefficient here? Minus 1. Here the numerical coefficient is minus 1 into ab. That is 5a plus 5b plus minus 1 is what? Minus 2ab. How will you add two negative integer? Add them as a natural and give the negative sign. That is 5a plus 5b plus into minus is minus 2ab. 2ab. Are you getting there? Yes. Now look at the fifth part of this question is, subtract minus m square plus 5mn from 4m square minus 3mn plus 8. So what it will come first? This will come first. From 4m square minus 3mn plus 8 minus half minus m square plus 5mn. Am I right here? Yeah. Now first you multiply the minus sign inside. What will you get? 4m square minus 3m plus 3mn it is. Sorry. 3mn plus 8 minus into minus is plus m square. Then minus into plus is minus 5mn. Now group the like terms now. That is 4m square and m square. These two terms are like terms. That is 4m square plus m square. Then these two terms are like terms. Minus 3mn because they are having the same algebraic factor mn plus 8. Now again, what is the numerical coefficient? These two terms are like terms. Then it is a constant term. Now what is the numerical coefficient here? 4. Here the numerical coefficient is 1 plus into 4 plus 1 into m square plus minus 3. Here the numerical coefficient is minus 5 into mn plus 8. That is 4 plus 1 is how much dear? 5. So 5m square plus minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 mn plus 8. That is equal to 5m square plus into minus is minus 8 mn plus 8. Minus 8 mn plus 8. Are you getting there? Yes. Shall we move to the next part of the question? Yeah. The next part of the question is, sixth question, that is, subtract minus x square plus 10x minus 5 from 5x minus 10. So which one will come first? This will come first, that is 5x minus 10 minus of minus x square plus 10x minus 5. That is, first you remove the bracket by multiplying the minus sign inside. So 5x minus 10 minus into minus is plus x square minus into plus is minus 10x minus into minus is plus 5 here. Now group the like terms. Now these two terms are like terms, that is 5x and minus 10x, and then x square term here plus 5x minus 10x, and then group the constant term, that is minus 10 plus 5 here. Minus 10 plus 5 here. Now tell me x square, because it's a only one term which contains a variable x square, and then after that here what is the numerical coefficient? Plus 5. Here the numerical coefficient is minus 10 into x. Now minus 10 plus 5 is how much? Minus 5. That is x square plus 5 minus 10 is minus 5 into x minus 5. That is equal to x square plus into minus is minus 5 into x is 5x minus 5. Am I right here? So this is the final answer. Now look at the seventh part of the question is, subtract 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square from 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. Yes, now tell me. Now that is 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square minus of 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square. First you remove the bracket. That is, how will you do that? Multiply the minus sign inside. That is 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square minus into plus minus 5a square minus into minus is plus 7ab minus into plus is minus 5b square. Now group the like terms here. That is 3ab and 7ab having the same algebraic factors ab. So 3ab plus 7ab, and then the term which contains the variable a square, minus 2a square minus 5a square, and then the term which contains the variable b square, that is minus 2b square minus 5b square. Am I right here? Yes. Now tell me now. 3 plus 7. Here we are having the same numerical coefficient. So 3 plus 7 AB plus, here the numerical coefficient is what? Minus 2. Here the numerical coefficient is what? Minus 5A square plus minus 2 minus 5 into B square. Now 3 plus 7 is 10AB plus minus 2 minus 5 minus 7. So minus 7 into A square plus minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7 into B square. Here we are adding the two negative integer. Just to add them as a natural and give the negative sign. That is equal to 10AB plus into minus is minus 7A square plus into minus is minus 7B square. So this is the final answer. You just to try the 8th part of this question by your own. That is subtract 4PQ minus 5Q square minus 3P square from 5P square plus 3Q square minus PQ. You please try this question by your own. Am I right here? In the next video we will see the solution for the next question. Thank you.